Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Interview Specialist. So I'm looking at this Grand Design Imagine 2022, and let me go back here to the unit. And so basically what I just want to talk about was maintenance, right? So here's your shackle hangers on this one. So we're getting ready to start doing that. You can see that they're both broken away. So we know that the bushings are going to be completely gone in there, and that's what caused the vibration and movement, right? So same thing can happen in here, except for the bad thing is if you're not replacing these bushings in here, right, when the bushings wear out, now they're going to oblong the whole of the hanger. And then if that happens, and you have to cut the hangers off to replace the hangers in order to put the bolt in. So the bolts have splines on them to be fixed so they don't turn on you, right? So if the hole is wallered out, this bolt now is going to float around in here anyways, even though it's tightened up, because it can't completely tighten up all the way because it has to allow for movement. A lot of times we're seeing that the spring clips are coming loose. We've been checking a lot of the U-bolts and finding U-bolt issues as well. Go ahead, Jim. It won't matter. He's over there on the other side starting to take stuff apart. So, but make sure that you're inspecting these. Make sure you come in and get your maintenance work done. This is your standard equalizer, right? And again, we try not to be harsh about it. It's basically 1950 technology. Right? So I would like to see you upgrade that to a different brand. The brand we prefer is the Dexter Easy Flex kit. They're a lot more stout, and two pieces that intermove, and you can grease them, and they have a bushing in the middle of them. So check out our other videos on that. We'll go from there. We can see that there's been grease leaking from the dust caps around. I don't know if he checked the backs or not yet, and I don't know if we're doing a wool bearing pack on it or not either. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and we will get back to you. We will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.